What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. If you guys are new, please subscribe. I post every other day as much as possible. I'm trying to post more. In the previous video, I left you guys a little hanging on there, and I did not show you guys the installation. So today I'll be installing them. I showed you guys all the differences. There's no wiring harness differences, there's nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these real quick for you and do a little before and after. Here we go.
Feeling low, lounging on the beach of snow. Promethazine elixir in the mixing bowl. Living slow, like in it though. Yo, I could go to hell, I've been sending loads. I've been involved, yeah, you could say I'm still involved. It used to be a buzz, then shit evolved. Sometimes sacrifice is necessary. Special like a Midas touch when I step inside. Let's get it like it's gone soon. Some say ain't the guy that they once knew. You're fucking with the wrong dude. No green lights, I shut you down with one move. Lows and highs on a lonely grind, but I know that.
Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your guys' support. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and let your passion drive you.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.